We have seen, right, last session, we automated few test cases, correct? Let me try to automate one more test case today. Yeah, so let me share my screen. So guys, in the last session, we have seen like, okay, once we are logging with the admin, okay, we logged in. So now come to the transactions. I want to deposit some money. Okay, I want to deposit. We need to enter account number here. We need to enter account number here and amount. How much amount we need to deposit. Okay, click on submit. Okay, once you click on submit, here it is going to display amount is deposited. Okay, and then log in with the user and verify whether it is added to the a particular user or not. That is the test case now. Okay, can we automate that? So very simple, guys. Come here. So I need to create one more page now. One more page. Which page I need to create now? I need to create and then I want to delete that user also, guys. Okay. After this verified, you need to delete that user. Now we need to create what, guys? Transaction one page we need to create. Come here. Let me try to create new class. What is this? Transactions page. Okay, I have created transactions page. In the transactions page, what are all the locators will be there for us? In the transactions, it is deposit, right? Account number. Let me inspect it. I don't think it will come. Okay. Okay, I want to open our application. Okay, now come to the, where we need to come, guys. We need to come to the transactions. We need to click on transactions. So inspect it. To click on transaction. First, we need to take that locator. How we can take the locator, guys? At the rate?
At the rate find by?
Yeah, at the rate find by x path equal to. We need to give this element transaction. Perfect. Please import all. Yeah. Now, once you click on transaction, what is going to happen here? This is going to come. What we are doing, we want to deposit. So let me inspect it. So at the rate find by x path equal to element deposit. Okay, perfect. Once you click on deposit, what will happen, guys? Here you need to enter account number. Okay, please inspect it. Account number at the rate find by. I'm using most of the time XPath only, guys. You can try with ID name also. Okay, fulfillment account number. Its name and balance automatically will come and deposit amount will be there. The rate 1 by x path equal to deposit amount. Next is the submit button. The rate 1 by x path equal to fulfillment submit. Perfect. Okay. Whatever the fields required for us, we have done all. Okay. So this page is ready now. So now we need to have what, guys? One constructor we need to have, right? Let me copy from here. Let me add one constructor. So instead of page, and it is the which page, guys? It is the transactions page. This dot driver and all we don't have. So let me have our own logs also. Okay, perfect. No errors are there. Now what we need to do, guys? We need to public void method, guys. Deposit amount. Okay, we need to pass here amount int deposit int amount I can take. How much amount we need to update. And also we need to take the account number also. Okay, int account number. Which account number and how much is the amount you want to deposit. Okay, what you need to do, guys, now?
You want to add amount.
First, so this is one. First, what we need to do, first method, public void, click on transaction. Click on transaction. Okay. How we can click on it, guys? Transaction dot click method we need to use. Okay, perfect. Next, once you've done this transaction, next you need to click on what? Deposit. Public void, click on deposit. Deposit dot click. Okay, perfect. Once it is done, next deposit is done. Next, you need to enter what? Account number. Account number dot the account number is not coming. Oh, I understand. Account number dot send keys up. Which one we need to enter, guys? This one. Account number we need to enter. Next. Next, what we need to enter?
Deposit amount.
Amount we need to enter. Deposit square amount dot send keys. We need to enter amount. What is the error here? Okay, let me add it to string only. Okay, that's fine. Next, what we need to do, guys? We need to click on the submit button. Submit.click. Okay, submit.click you are doing. So with this, transaction is completed successfully. Now we need to go to the user login page. Here you need to verify the amount. Okay, here one more method I'm going to add. Public void verify amount. Okay, so you are also need to pass some amount here. Okay, so now we need to log in with what, guys? We need to log in with user. Okay, this amount we need to verify. Okay, this amount we need to verify. Careful observe, guys, how we will get this amount. Inspect it. Current balance it is displaying. Okay, we need to write it here. Can we try to write contains? Contains. Okay, guys. So I have used just contains I have used. And I'm trying to get this text, guys. I need to get this text. How we can do, guys? So first, what I want to do, get the text. We need to take the locator for it, right? No, we need to write it in, not here, guys. We need to write it in user home page. Okay, that is not the login page, right? We need to write it in user home page. Here we need to write public void amount. String amount we need to verify. Okay, so one locator I have taken, right? So what is that? Find by payment current balance. Okay, guys, are you following, right? Everything, guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so current balance I want to get it. So I want to store what of the text we are getting into the some variable string. I can take current underscore balance. But very important method I'm going to use here. Please carefully understand. Current balance dot get text method will be there. What is the method? Get text to get the amount. Okay, get text method you are getting. This entire text you are going to get it. Okay, fine. Now this is the text you are getting, guys. This is the text you are getting. What you need to do from here? Yes, what you need to do from here? Some methods I'm going to use, carefully understand here. This text I am getting. What I need to do? First, I need to split this. Okay, what we need to do by using space, I need to split. Once you split it, what will happen? This is the first word it is going to come. Split with space. This is the first and this is the second. You are going to get it once you split it. Next, this is the third one we are going to get. This is the third one we are going to get it. Next, okay. Next, what you need to do here, some string methods we need to apply, guys. Next, take this, get this. Get this means so you can get the current balance of, for example, this is the array. Array of 2, you are going to get this value. On this top of it, what you need to do, guys, you need to remove this colon. Okay, you need to remove this colon. Once, okay, on top of it, you need to apply replace method. Replace method to replace colon. And then you need to convert it into integer. You need to convert that into integer so that we are going to get 1,50,000 is the amount. Guys, are you following my point? What you need to do first? First, you need to split it. And then you need to replace this comma. And then convert it into integer. So these are all the different methods we are going to see now. Okay, perfect. Carefully understand here. So get text. You're going to get the text. What are the text you are getting? Current balance. Okay. Now what you need to do? You need to take which array? String array. You need to take string array. Just you can take balance equal to current balance dot. Which method you need to apply, guys? Split method you need to apply. On what basis you need to apply split? Guys, space. That's it. You are going to get the string array. In that string array, what is the value you needed, guys? Okay, what is the value you needed? Int balance equal to, okay, already balance is there. Original balance equal to, what you need to do, guys? Balance of 2 dot, what you need to apply, guys? First, you need to replace. Replace with what? I want to replace comma with what? Just empty. Guys, are you following everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just these all operations I am doing, guys. See, first I am splitting. And then what? Okay, sorry. First I am splitting. So this one I am trying to get it. And then what you need to do? You need to replace comma with normal without anything. So comma will be deleted. Next I am trying to convert to what? Integer. Integer I am trying to convert. That's it. That is what I am doing here. So replace I have done. Next. Okay, once replacing comma is done successfully. Okay, fine. We're going to get the string now. That is okay. Now what I want to do, guys. See, first let me see how it is showing in user login. No, not the user login. You need to go to the admin login. Okay, from here in the transaction, you want to deposit, right? Okay. deposit you want to do, guys. And coming to the transactions, if we'll come here, what is happening here? 1 lakh is deposited, but it is not displaying here anything like total amount. I want the total amount, right? How we will take the total amount? Okay, that's fine. Let me see. So here, okay, original balance, you got it. That's fine. Now I want to convert it into integer, guys. Now I want to convert that into an integer. How we can do that, guys? How to convert a value into integer? Guys, anybody remember? Integer dot percent of original balance. Okay, you converted that into integer. Very well. Okay, verify amount. You need to check that amount with the amount you are passing from there. If my balance equal to amount which you are passing, then our test case will be passed. So write all these methods here also. Whatever the methods are there, you can write over here. Verified okay, just I am adding here. Next, guys, if it is fail, then deposit is not working. Deposit is not working. Okay, perfect. First thing is ready now. So, and what I need to do in our test case, guys, I need to do in the deposit page, the user login. No, in the admin login, I need to do. Now we have done all these things where in the user homepage. User homepage we have done. Okay, go back to our test case, guys. Let me copy this script only. Verify deposit amount. Okay, one more test case I have taken here. Deposit amount, perfect. Here test case also name I am changing. Verify deposit amount, perfect. What you need to do, guys? Okay, so new user is creating. So instead of here, verify welcome text. This is fine. But before logging out, I need to add here verify deposit amount. But before that, I want to do the verify homepage text I am doing. Click on account management I am doing here. Okay. A new account I am creating. New user creation I am doing here. And the amount which I am entering is what? 1 lakh. Next, before logout here, I want to do what, guys? Before log out, I want to do what operation here? Deposit operation. I want to do it. Which page I need to create the object here? Guys, which page I need to create the object here?
User home page.
User home page or transactions page? And I have created transactions page, right? So this is the page where we need to create the object for it. So transactions page, need to create an object. Transactions equal to new transactions space double comma test. Okay, perfect. Next, what you need to do? You need to wait. Next, what I need to do? Transactions dot what, guys? Deposit amount. I need to pass the account number. Why email ID and password is coming? Deposits amount. Email ID password. No, it is wrong. So we need to provide what? Our email ID. Deposit amount, guys. While depositing, what are all the things we need to pass? We need to pass the, go to this method, you will understand. You need to pass what? Account number and amount you need to pass. Account number and the amount. Now come back. What is your account number? This is your account number, right? So you need to pass the account number and amount. So let me take the one more variable here. Deposit amount. Deposit amount equal to another 10,000 I want to deposit. 10,000 I want to deposit. So this deposit amount, initial deposit is what? 1 lakh is there. So this is the deposit amount. Okay, go back to here. That's it, right? Okay, fine. So what we have done, what is the error here? Account number long you have taken. Okay, that's fine. Let me add it to long only. So here, let me take string only, but let me modify here. Okay, here this account number, it is asking us the long type of data it is asking. Okay, just I'm converting into string, guys. String dot value of method will allow us to convert it into string. Okay, so that's fine. So these are all the methods I have covered in Java recordings. Please go through it. String dot value, what it will do, guys? It will convert into what? String. Perfect. No. Deposit amounts. Both are strings only. This is your account number and this is your amount, right? Account number and the amount. See, why I am using here? No, here I need to use what? Account number. Perfect. Okay, your account number and deposit amount you have done successfully. Next part is what? So deposit is going to be done, and total expected would be how much? Here you can take, so string expected balance. How much, guys? Expected balance equal to how much? Expected balance, guys. See here, 1 lakh is there, and you are adding how much? 10,000. So expected balance would be how much? Guys, tell me. Expected balance is how much? 1 lakh? 10,000. Correct? 1 lakh 10,000 is the balance for this test case. This is your expected balance. Fine. So this deposit amount, it is going to deposit successfully. Next here, you need to check. You need to create a which page, guys? Here, user homepage already you created. User homepage dot verify amount method is there. What is the expected balance you need to give? So this is, sorry. This is your expected balance. Please give it here, expected balance. Okay, that's fine, right? So that's it. This is the test case guide. We'll see what will happen. Whether is it working or not, can we see here? Perfect. So what you need to do? One more test case. Let me add it here. What is our test case, guys? Verified?
Deposit amount.
Verified deposit. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now let me try to run this. Any errors, let me try to fix it, guys. First, we'll see what is happening. Like this way, you need to write the test cases, guys. So string methods are very, very important. Please try to go through it. Okay. String methods playing major role. Second test case. Just creating the user. Perfect. Yeah, that's third test case. One failure is there. Let me see what is that failure. I think in third test case only it is failed. Yeah. Stale element reference. Element is not attached to the page document. Okay. So anyway, this we'll see tomorrow. What is the problem and all. And tomorrow our agenda will be resolve this, and we will continue with the GitHub part, guys. Okay. We will continue with the GitHub part, and then Jenkins will see, and then Selenium Grid, and then overview on API and Cucumber we will see. Okay, perfect. So yeah, tomorrow our agenda will be GitHub. We are going to discuss. That is also very easy. Nothing much will be there. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay, everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srikant, what about you?
Yes, sir.
You are practicing, right? Every day?
Yeah, sir. I will. Yesterday I missed it, sir.
Yeah.
I mean, day before yesterday. And
Yeah, please try to practice it, guys. Everything. Okay. Because in January and all, calls will be very good. I hope you guys can get more and more calls on January. Because financial year beginning, right? So surely good calls will be there. Okay. So before that, you need to be expertised. Okay. Right, guys.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.